Hey there, and welcome to CapCut Masterclass. In Lessons 1, your all in one guide to creating professional, eye catching video using one of the most powerful free video editing tools available today. Okay, so CapCut is a free video editing software developed by the attendants and the creators of TikToks, and is designed for both mobiles and desktop, making it perfect for creators who wants flexibility. Okay, so now let's go to the mobile phone, and on the mobile phone CapCut signs for shorts forms or contents like TikTok, Instagrams, and also the Reels and also the YouTube Shorts. So it's initiatives and drag and drop and load it with the effects. Okay. So and here we have the several options like the templates. You can have the different options to work with very easily. Okay, so and but the desktop versions, if I gonna move, is where the real magic happens with a view or a timeless view, advanced layering, and more precise control. It's ideal for longer videos and professionals content. Okay, so here this is the features makes CapCut not just a basic editor but complete creative suites for video creators of all levels. Okay, so here we have the different options like the template. You can go ahead and edit it very easily, and you can also use the background removal or no green screens, and also you will get the AI assets hubs or like to or effects and transitions, and also you will get the stickers, filters, and trendings, grounds or sounds, and stocks libraries, video, magic sounds, and effects. Okay, so this course is structured to take you from beginnings to confidence editors, so through a series of hand-on lessons. So in these lessons or course structure and what you learn, we learn like lessons 1, introductions on the course, lessons 2, editing for social media like TikToks, Reels, Shorts, lessons 3, audio, magics and voiceover, lessons 4, captions, stickers and text, lessons 5, effects, filters and transitions, lesson 6, exporting and uploading, and the last one is project based and create a better social media videos. Okay, so by the end of this master class you'll know how to produce polished content using both CapCut mobiles and desktop, perfect for your social media, YouTube channels or clients project. Okay, so now let's go to the options to how to installing CapCut mobile or the basic versions. Okay, and let's start with go to the phone, and we gonna the first step is we need to open up the Google Play Stores over there. So here what you can do, we can just search for like go to, and like you can do just type here the CapCut, and we want to do like CapCut over here, and tap the installs like just, or I have already installed this one into my mobile phone. I can just update it so if I want to use it. And for the desktop users, we need to do and search for something. We're gonna say the CapCut. Let's say the CapCut, we can easily just try to open it, and here we have the options like CapCut desktop downloads. So just click over, and also we need to download or here the CapCut desktop versions, and this is the progressions in minutes. So just click and download the desktop versions are compatible with your operating systems. Okay, and also when you download it and follow the installations promotes, and you will be ready to edit in just a few minutes. Okay, when you download it and you need to open it the CapCut. I have already installed like there's one, and now let's move on the desktop versions. The interface things looks more like the traditional editors. You have just your timelines, and now here we have the these timelines at the bottoms and the preview window and your media library and effects on the side. Okay, and also on the mobile versions, and we have the mobile interface over here. So if I go to, or what can I do, so let's go to the edits, and also we have the there's one, and you can start from the create a new one, and you have the options to add, or you'll see the your gallery where you can choose videos or photos to edit it. From there you can just select it and you can have your own styles to work with the mobile versions. Don't worry, we'll go deep into every tools in the upcoming lessons. For now, just get familiar with the layout. Okay, so you have just had your first look at CapCut and what it is and how to install it and how its structure. And in the next lessons, we'll dive into editing Reels contents for platforms like TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts using CapCut tools and templates. So let's start creating.